Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix text overlap in Perplexity queries. So just tap on my Google Chrome and officially logged in perplexity.ai and how to fix the overlap queries on Perplexity. So the first thing is that you will just tap on these three dots which is top right corner bottom, and after here you will just scroll down. In the last you will see the third last option is request mobile site. So make sure your request mobile site is on your Chrome, not the desktop mode. So just set to the mobile. So I just tab on continue confirmation form resubmission. So just tab on it. So verifying you are human, this may takes a few seconds. By Cloudflare, just tab on ticket for verifying. So overlap means you will see the this screenshot which is left corner. This is when you on from desktop mode to mobile mode. So it will be cause overlap queries on perplexity.ai. So I will just set you example. I will just tab on another browser. Right now here you will see the red dot. There is a game story. I will just tab on it. I will just tab to copy some lines, and I will just tab on and go on my perplexity and just paste it. So here you will see there is no overlap queries in this, because whenever you just start using this perplexity.ai, you will just tap on the three dots and make sure your mobile Chrome mode is on mobile side, not the desktop side. Thank you. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.